I think a good point or addition to the whole mentorship thing, because we talk about mentors and how important they are. There are, but as you're getting, more narrowed in or zoned in on a particular field, it's also important to have mentors in that field as opposed to
Yeah.
just kind of general mentors. I think general mentors are good, but uh, it's also important to have mentors in the very thing that you're trying to do, because they're going to be able to give you advice and really take you under their wing and
They're
have
there.
or they're
Exactly.
going to have a lot of times they're vested in your success. So they're like, I
Mhm.
know my mentor at the law firm that I worked at out of college for, out of law school for many years, and it was a mentor, Steve Waingrove. Man, he was vested in my success. So
Mhm.
he you can tell the things that he was telling me, not only as it relates to just the culture, but just the work product. Man, he was making sure that I had the tools I need to be successful. And I think my situation would have turned out differently if if I didn't have a mentor that was as caring and as vested in my
Mhm.
success as an attorney. So I just think that those mentors and whatever it is that you're doing is very important.
Yeah, it's like it's the difference between saying, "Yo, I got to take a." It's the fairest shortcut, in my opinion. Because if you have a mentor who is there, they're going to tell you.
Yeah.
At least they're going to give you experience that you know is applicable.
Right.
And so you could potentially, skip 10 steps just by following their directions.
Yeah.
And so now that's the role I play, is because when people call me, they're like, hey, my mentees, I tell them so much stuff. Just say, hey, here's what I did. Do not
Yeah.
do this. Here's the easier way. Here's a way to get more money. Here's a way to do that. Here's a way to get it faster. Because I know where you're trying to go. You say you want to be me.
Yeah.
That's cool. But there's a much quicker way and a better way to get there, or a way that's less stressful. And it's just, again, I didn't have that.
Right.
So it's like I had to figure everything out on the fly, or with you.
Right. Right. So then, okay. So you're